Swapnil Kusle secured a bronze medal in men's 50-meter rifle, marking India's fourth medal in Paris. His remarkable performance showcased exceptional skill and determination throughout the competition. This achievement highlights India's growing prowess in shooting sports on the international stage. The Paris Olympics continue to be a platform for Indian athletes to shine and inspire millions. Subscribe to India Insider for more updates on India's Olympic journey.